everyone! So today my package arrived and I'm gonna finally open the new Kirby game. So you already know by the title of this video what it is, so I'm just gonna unbox it right now. Alright, let's get started. Oh, I'm so excited. So I remember pre-ordering it about a week ago, and if you get if you pre-order it, you'll get a gift. So I hope the gift is here. It did take about, about a week. And let me know if you want a gameplay. I was thinking of doing it, but I wasn't so sure. Ooh. Look. So it's this. Oh, it didn't come with it. Oh, that's sad. Okay, well, whatever. So the Kirby, oh my god. So the Kirby and, I can't speak. So what I got was the Kirby, why am I saying the? Kirby and the Forgotten Land. So beautiful, I love it. I can't wait to start playing this game. Oh my god, I love how tiny the little game piece is. Oh, and the artwork is nice. So yes, that is it for this short video. I hope you enjoyed and I'll see you next time. Bye everyone.